Hi students, today I am going to tell you about the whole numbers. So before going to whole numbers, let us know about the natural number. Natural number. There is a number series called natural number or counting number, which are used for basically counting purposes. To count something like suppose number of students in our class. So how we can count the number of students? We should start it from always 1, then 2, then 3, like that way. If we start it from count 1 and finally we may get some value like 50 or 60 or anything it may be. The point is that we have to start it always from 1, not from 3, not from 10. We have to start it from always 1. So it comes naturally. That is why it is called the natural numbers. And since those numbers are using for counting purposes, the series is called also counting numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like that way. It's go on and on. So up to infinity. There is no any highest value in case of natural number or counting number. So those numbers are also called counting number, since those numbers are used in case of counting purposes. Let us take another example, a different kinds of example. Okay, so think about a football match played between Real Madrid and Barcelona, Ronaldo and Messi. Okay, so what happened initially? The scoreboard seems to be like 0-0 before starting the game, 0-0. So after a few minutes later on, Messi suppose scored 1 goal against Real Madrid, so it becomes 1-0. And before half time, Ronaldo also scored 1 goal. So what happened? They are equally 1-1. So finally, before ending of the game, Barcelona scored another goal and it becomes 2, total 2. The point is that we have to start it from 0, not as like unlike in case of earlier case, it was from 1. So here it is from 0. Another example, let us take another example where we should start from 0 also. Let us take the point O. One marathon runner will complete a marathon running race, 1 kilometer. Here it is 2 kilometer. He have to complete up to 12 kilometers, suppose. Anyway, the basic point is that always he should start it from 0 kilometer, from that 0 point. After reaching that point, only then we can say that he has completed the 1 kilometer or completed the 12 kilometers if he reached the finish point. But the point is that he should always start it from 0 kilometer. So initial value is 0. So 0 plays a very important role in case of a number series. Who invented the 0? Indian scientist Aryabhatta invented the 0. Anyway, if we start it from 0, then 1, then 2, then 3, then 4, 5, like that way, and it's go on and on up to an infinity value, we have used the arrow mark to indicate that it will go infinity. So what you have seen here, from those examples, it will start from 0. As you see, the rest of the values are already we have used in our previous series, that is called number series, natural numbers or counting numbers. Only difference is 0. If we include 0 along with the natural numbers, it is called the whole numbers. And finally, we can say from those series, if we add 0 with the natural number, natural numbers, what we will get? Yes, we will get whole numbers. So all the natural numbers are whole numbers, but all the whole numbers may not be the natural number. Since 0 is a whole number which is not a natural number, then remember it. Another point is there is no any highest value in case of a natural number and whole number, or we can say it is maximum value. Okay, in some books it is called maximum value. There is no any maximum value in case of natural number and whole numbers. It will go up to infinity. Thank you, students.